Hi Warham fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And today we have got some hanging drills. Well, not
Gonks.
hanging Easter gonks.
Easter gonks.
Thank you.
They've got diamond painting drills.
Yeah, they're ones to diamond paint is what I meant by that.
They're not thick plastic, so they're thin plastic.
Yeah, that threw us something chronic. Yeah. Right, so these again, they're not key rings, they are hangy ones.
Yeah. So
you've got your tag hangs.
Yeah.
You've got your usual do flippies.
Yeah.
Then we've got quite a few drills actually. This is quite a relatively thick one. Right, so let's have a look and see what we've got here. Plus you need to see the back side of them. And plus I haven't seen them before either, so you know, we might as well have a look, mightn't we? I don't know how many there are because I can't remember. Right, so I'll show you both sides. So you've got 3.
Yep.
And that's the drill side.
Yep. We
have got another 3. Oh, hang on. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
So those. And that's
the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's 6. We have got Sorry, that's not actually come off of the thing. Right, so you've got that one.
Yeah.
Which has also got that one that way round.
Yeah.
And there you go.
Yeah.
There you go. And then get rid of that. Right, so we have got that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And there you go.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, we've got 12 here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so we've got 12 to do here. So yeah, all that leaves me to say, guys, is let's get drilling. Right, guys, so these were actually a bit fiddlier to do because you had to hold them down.
Because they're very thin.
They are, I mean, they're, you know. So, again, that's the back and that's the front.
Yeah.
Yay. Oh, I've passed them to you. It's easier, isn't it? We've got that little dude.
All right, yeah. You look like a snowman from here.
He's in an egg. This one's alive.
It's alive.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
Whoopsie. These are so cute.
Yep. Right. There's them.
Right. So my favourite ones, I'm going to pick 3.
Right. My favourite ones, are that one, and that one.
Mine are these 3. I love the carrot car. I love the little egg mobile he's got going on. And I mean, plus they're purple, so it was pretty much
you can see what they are as well.
My least favourite is this one.
My least favourite is are those 4 because they could be absolutely anything.
All right, fair enough.
Because you can't see them at all.
No.
I
mean, some
they don't look like anything at all.
Clearer than others.
Yes.
I do think it's worth mentioning that is super cute. Although it's only quite a small one, I love the fact he's got a chicken head on. I also really like these 2.
Yeah. But I move them around as I turn them.
This one, to me, looks messy.
Yeah, a lot of them, there's quite a few of them. So these ones, you can't see what they are.
Not properly, no. No, it's too much going on in some ways, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, guys, so we told you what we thought.
Yep.
You tell us what you think.
Yep.
And, as always, my lovelies, be different. A very merry on hoo-hoo. And star...